Hello, my name is Dan Oakes, and I'm the creator of Cookin', the #1 best-selling recipe organizer with over 3 million copies sold. And today I'm going to show you one of the advanced features that a lot of people aren't very familiar with. Oh, but first, look at this. There's a new cookbook, Secrets from the White House Kitchens. Over 300 recipes, photos. There's a new theme. Oh, cool. I'm going to have to take a look at that. That's pretty great. Oh, look at this. There's a new version posted and a new newsletter article and Dan's blog. Hey, this looks pretty cool. Island of the Women. Oh, man. How much fun is that? Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, yeah. I was showing you a cool new feature in Cookin'. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is click Recipes here on the toolbar. And if you take a look here in the Salads chapter of the DVO.com cookbook, you'll see that there's a recipe called Mixed Endive Salad with Vanilla Pear Vinaigrette. Okay, and this recipe is, there's two parts of this recipe. There's the dressing part and the salad part. And so it's really actually, in fact, two recipes in one. And there's a better way to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing I'm going to do is click New Tab here, and then I'm going to click New Recipe. Now I want to see these recipes side by side, so I'm going to drag this one over to here until I see that black arrow and drop it. And now it's kind of cramped here. These two don't fit that well. My screen resolution is set low in order to make this video demonstration fit on this web page. So I think we could still do it though. I'm going to go ahead and minimize the bookshelf there so I have more space. I'm going to click to the Edit tab here. And now what I'm going to do is separate these two recipes that have been combined into one. So I'm going to create one called Vanilla Pear Vinaigrette. And this one serves 4, so I'm going to make this serve 4 as well. And now what I'm going to do is copy this dressing part over to here. This is a little difficult to see, so I'm going to widen this a little bit. And now I'm just going to copy over the recipe. 1 15-ounce can, pears. And I'm just going to copy this. Control A selects it all, Control C copies it, Control V pastes it. And 1/3 cup. Again, I'm going to Control A, Control C, Control V, pear. And then I'm going to 1/3 cup white wine vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3/4 teaspoon. Oh man, this is fun. This just kosher. Okay, kosher. Salt. 1/4 teaspoon. Coarsely ground black pepper. And a pinch of cayenne pepper. All right. Let's see. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Good, I got it right. Boom. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy these directions here too. Okay. So now I'm going to click Save here. Remove this part, the dressing part, from this recipe. So I'm going to go delete, delete, delete. I'm using the Enter key, by the way, so I don't have to move my mouse back and forth. Okay, so now I'm going to click Save here and Save here. Now I'm going to close this window and I'm going to restore this. So now what I have is my mixed endive salad with vanilla pear vinaigrette. Okay, and it doesn't have the dressing part. See that? Because the dressing part is now here. So now I need to add it. What I'm going to do is click here to the Edit tab and just simply click on this and drag it over and drop it. And now it adds it. So now when I go to the View tab, here's my recipe. Mixed endive salad with vanilla pear vinaigrette. And it calls for these things, and then it also calls for this vanilla pear vinaigrette. And see how it's linked if I click it? Oh yes, I want to save it. If I click it, I can jump to this recipe and see how to make it. See that? So there you go. It's a neat shortcut, and that way what happens is if I have another recipe where I want to use this same vanilla pear vinaigrette, now I can add this vinaigrette to the other recipe as well without having to retype these ingredients. And that way I can embed one recipe within another and take advantage of this powerful feature that cooking has. I hope this helps. Have a great day.